Yes, 1st of October. Gone lot. It's very windy in London here, and it's the onset of winter, definitely autumn. You can feel the wind fluttering everywhere. Last one was very rainy, huge wind, knocked everything over. Now I'm going to go through this video and show you the state of the tomatoes for the 1st of October. What is the state? I've actually cut away a lot of the old dead leaves. You can tell from the cut stems, and although they came from the money maker, I get the feeling they're not all from the same type of plant. Because some of them look like beefcake tomatoes, but underneath is a real harvest, which I'll probably tomorrow I'll take down. Right, for that. So these look more like beefcake, but under the, it said moneymaker. So maybe they were stray seeds, but they look gorgeous. Everywhere. There's a lot underneath there. There you are. There's a small beefcake. There's a lot more. It's all underneath there. My wife likes to take them, low-hanging fruit as it is. Right, and there's a lot more underneath. A lot more underneath. Now let me switch over to the tallest one, and that looks like moneymaker tomatoes. Have a look at that. These are definitely moneymaker tomatoes. Have a look at that. And there, these are small and round and numerous, and they don't have the ridges. I cut away a lot of the leaves, but they've grown back in the last 4 days, and clumps of them everywhere off the vine. Probably take them down. So, and that one looks going to be red. So that's the state of these vines. It's very windy. I'm surprised the wind hasn't knocked it down. This is easily 7 feet, 8 feet, and they're flowering. But I have a funny feeling that the autumn, winter, and the rain, and the temperature, and the frost will kill them. But we're going to take these off. They've done their job. So these are definitely moneymaker, but these are definitely beefcake, but they came off the same seed packet. I want to take these off, but I'll take the bottom ones off. Put them into the curry pot, as it were. More there, a few there, up there. So, went well. A lot more to flower. There we are. Prune the rose bushes. I think they might just flower. Just for one more time before winter. That white stuff, that is ant powder. So ants are the real enemies. Yeah, so look at that. So this rose bush has flowered. This is about to flower. It's all about to flower big time. Look how tall that moneymaker tomato is. So that's it for the 1st of October 2022.